Assalamu alaikum and good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine and having great time at home. I welcome you all to the Smart School e-lesson classroom. Let's see, what are we going to do today? We will learn about the concept happy and sad. We will also express happy and sad feelings. So let's begin the class. When we are happy, we have a big smile on our face, and sometimes we jump with joy. And when we are sad, we do not like to smile, and sometimes we like to cry. Let's learn more about happy and sad feelings.
Hey, Tweedlebums, who here sometimes feels sad?
Me.
Aw, that's all right. We all do. Join us as we sing When I'm Feeling Sad.
Look at the picture. What do you think? The girl is happy or sad? Yes, the girl is happy because it's her birthday today. What do you think? The boy is happy or sad? Yes, the boy is sad. Why the boy is sad? Yes, because he broke his toy. Look at the picture carefully. You can see some children. Where are the children? Yes, they are in the park. Is everyone happy in the picture? No, there is a girl. She is sad. Which girl is sad? Yes, the girl in the red shirt. She is sad. Why is the girl sad? Yes, because nobody is playing with her. She is sitting alone. Now, tell me, what are the things that make you happy? And what are the things that make you sad? Okay, dear students, now you need to draw a happy and a sad face on the green board and show it to your teacher. This is your day 2 task. This task should be done in your Smart Language workbook. You need to color the happy faces on page 49. This is your day 3 task. This task should be done in your notebook. You need to draw and color a happy and a sad face. Let's see, what have we learned today? We have learned about the happy and sad feelings.